How to update your preferred monthly salary on VirtualStaff.ph. Keeping your preferred monthly salary up to date helps you get matched with the right employers and increases your chances of landing the job that fits your expectations. Here's how you can easily update it on VirtualStaff.ph. Step-by-step guide. 1. Log into your account. Go to VirtualStaff.ph and log in using your registered email and password. 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, look at the bottom of the left side panel, click on the 3 dots, ellipsis beside your name, and select Your Profile from the menu. 3. Locate your preferred monthly salary. On your profile page, you can see the section labeled Preferred Monthly Salary. 4. Click the Edit icon. Click on the pencil edit icon next to your current salary. 5. Update salary and employment type. A small window or section will open where you can edit your preferred monthly salary. Choose your preferred employment type, full-time, part-time. 6. Save your changes. After updating the information, click Save and Update to apply the changes. Tips: make sure your asking salary reflects your skills, experience, and the kind of work you're looking for. Regularly updating your profile helps employers see that you're active and available. If you have any issues updating your salary, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and AMP, compliance in one platform.